Well, I bought me a regulator for my tank. My tank is back there in the back. The regulator is right there. And right now she's got enough to pressurize it. If you look at the left side, that shows the pressure coming from my air tank. The right side shows the pressure leaving the regulator, which is nothing. So I can just hook that onto my Royale and then turn this knob and watch the pressure go right on up to 220 bar. I'll show you. I'm hooking the gun up now. So now the gun is hooked up to it, and there's my gauge. Now, when I turn this black knob, I just watch the regulator and see it climb real slowly up to 220. Not this, 200, 220. Now back off, listen. Air's coming out. And when I'm back at 0, I can unhook from a gun. That is really nice. I mean, I used to do it right from the tank, and that regulator really makes it easy to do. Okay.